NextConnect Ventures Private Limited is a social business startup that has been incubated in IIM Calcutta. What NextConnect does is it connects excluded communities by connecting them digitally. NextConnect works primarily in the fields of education, and NextConnect connects students from all socioeconomic backgrounds with teachers, with quality teachers of course, from the cities all over India, all over the world.
How many are you present? 10 in English? 7 students are present. Okay, very good.
NextConnect was incubated last year in 2017 on 17th of February. Right now we are currently working in 6 districts in Bengal. The first level that NextConnect works with is in the one-to-one level, where NextConnect connects teachers with urban students. In the other level, in the rural areas at the bottom of the pyramid, NextConnect works with rural students through NextConnect Internet Schools, where NextConnect has its own franchisee schools, where these schools are not exactly schools, but they are like supplementary modes of education that provide students with quality teachers from the city through an online live teaching learning platform.
This is the NextConnect website, and from here the students from the rural, semi-rural and semi-urban areas, they take live classes from our quality experienced teachers. In the current pandemic situation, it is becoming difficult for the rural learners to assemble together in the internet schools and take uninterrupted classes from their remote teachers. However, in order to observe a continuity in the entire learning and training environment, NextConnect has come up with an absolutely virtual learning environment wherein the students can connect with their remote trainers or teachers from their smartphones. We are in the process of developing our online learning analytics app, through which we are going to evaluate, assess and monitor each and every learner, learning environment, virtual coordinators and the teachers all the time. Let us work together to transform lives through digital inclusion.